Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Airtable CRM with Google Workspace credentials, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Airtable CRM with Google Workspace credentials, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Airtable website and log into your account. Once you are logged in, locate the workspace where you want to set up Google Workspace integration. On the top right corner, click on the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, find the Integrations tab and click on it. Scroll down until you see the Google Workspace section. Click on the Connect to Google button. A new window will prompt you to select your Google account. Choose the Google Workspace account you wish to connect. If prompted, enter your Google account credentials and click Next. You may need to allow Airtable access to your Google account. Make sure to review the permissions and click Allow to proceed. Once connected, you'll return to the Airtable interface. You should see an indication that Google Workspace is now linked. To test the integration, go back to your workspace. Try creating a new record and see if it allows you to pull in data from Google Workspace. If everything works correctly, you have successfully authenticated Airtable CRM with your Google Workspace credentials. You can now use this integration for enhanced functionality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.